Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this slow juicer, and OMMO was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now this is the OM-280 model that they sent over to us. A few little things that you need to know before you use this, and this is pretty much with all these slow juicers. This top here, whenever you have it, we'll go ahead and take out this top piece here. There you go, that's what you use to kind of push things down. This top piece here, you need it open in order to put this on and remove it. If you try and put it on there with the lid down, it won't go on all the way. So you got to make sure this lid is up, and then you can put it all the way into position, and then you'll hear that beep sound, and that lets you know that you are good to go. Controls on here are really easy. On, if something gets jammed up for some reason, you can do just a burst of reverse. So that's how you use it. And then in order to clean this thing, really easy as well. Pop this off. All this stuff just comes apart. This piece down here will pop off. Boom. Gives you access down inside of there really easy. It does have a little brush inside here. And then this little auger piece also does come out right there. And then this just pops out right there as well. So in order to put it all back together, just do that all in reverse. Got to make sure that auger lines up down there into the motor. Make sure we put this piece back on here. Lines up right there. Again, make sure your lid is open whenever you place this on here. So we'll put that on there, twist it, and lid down. You got a spout over here. This is where your juice is going to come out of, so it has this little closure on here so that you can move your cup away whenever you don't want the juice to make a mess on your counter. And this is where your dry pulp will go. So with that being said, it does come with a little book here in regards to different recipes for different juices and stuff that you can make, or you can just, do whatever you want. And then a little book here for instructions. Like I said, really easy. We just covered the entire thing in 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and pop this open. We'll throw a few things in here. I got us a mini cucumber. See if that fits all the way in there with no problem. Yep, no problem at all. Got a couple stalks of celery. I've got a lemon I'm going to throw in there. And I've got some apple peels. Or excuse me, just some peeled apples I'm going to throw in there. Also, I don't like mine with the peel on there, so I just use the peeled apples. Go ahead and throw a whole bunch of these in there. There we go. And then all we're going to do is shut this down, and we will turn it on. We'll go ahead and close this up so that we don't make a mess. And right there is going to be our juice drink. Over here, you can see the pulp is really dry, so it got like all of that juice out of there. Some of these that I've reviewed, very liquidy on that side, so you know you're losing a lot of your juice. Look at that. Let me try it out. Tangy, but delicious. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice slow juicer, obviously this one works well. Some of these that I've reviewed, really hard to clean. I like how this is like all just comes apart down there inside. Makes it really easy to clean. Also, like I said, includes the brush. So really nice overall. Go ahead, check this one out from OMMO.